this. With Walter Perkins? Tyron James, really, you're competing. I'm competing, and I'm gonna win. You do realize this is a Pubius hairdo contest. Yeah, I realize that. I'm not happy about it, but I realize it. You're not gonna last past the first round. Final round. We're down to our last two contestants. Doesn't make any sense at all. How have you not been eliminated? Okay, the next question is for time.
To mix things up a little bit.
That has nothing to do with it. Are you claiming you somehow set me up?
Didn't I? Did anyone find out the secret?
What secret? Get out of here, okay? This is for the big kids.
No, listen to me.
It's just a regular dog. You pretended he had a secret from the beginning just to set this up.
That's right. His secret was part of an elaborate food costume mask competition. Oh, and I tasted your graham crackers. And they were delicious. By the way, this is how it's done.
The dog is a magic.
There's power in the name of Jesus.
I'm making my call.
Power in the name.
Work on Avery. Don't know in a moment. Work. Carl thinks the whole secret stay from the beginning. Thanks for listening, Michael.
If you stand, I'd do anything. So in the end, the whole thing was molto buono. Hey, I can speak Italiano. Oh, I'm not speaking Italian. Who am I kidding? I say, hey, I can speak Danish.